Hi, and welcome to this module on demand-based pricing. Now, what is demand-based pricing? It's something that is quite used in the marketplace. It is varying your prices according to the demand that you can generate. Either you or you have tendencies that will impact to influence the demand. Let's have an example of that. I think that the airline industries is probably one of the best examples to illustrate this strategy. A price of a ticket from, let's say, New York City to Miami will not be the same in September that it will be in January. Why? Because you have more demand for those type of tickets in January. Now, obviously, there's additional costs associated with that, probably having to de-ice the plane. There's a lot of maintenance that is probably done during the winter that is not necessarily done during the summer, but that doesn't justify the various or the wide range of difference in the price. Furthermore, you can see that in January the plane will be probably full, whereas in September it is not the same amount of people. So the reasoning behind having higher cost is not the reason behind the increase in price. And other industries that use that, you have the hotel industry as well. If you're into a tourist area, price of an hotel during peak season will be a lot higher than they will be during non-peak seasons. The same thing can be said for week time hotel room versus weekend hotel rooms. Gym membership will have variation. They're not standard, or they're not constant throughout the year. So it is a strategy that is used quite extensively by certain amount of businesses. Now, to use that strategy, you need to have seasons or variations in seasons for your product or services. And you need to have not as much competition. Why do I say that? For example, one industry that is very demand-based would be the tax industry. But because there's a lot of competition in the sector, prices cannot have a pressure towards the higher price than you would have if you didn't have such a high demand or a high competition within the industry. So the competition aspect serves to lower the price, even though you have peak demand that are very previsible. So it is not for all industries. You can look at yours and see if this pricing strategy can apply to your business. So if you have any questions or comment, feel free. Thank you.